Hey guys, hope everyone is having an awesome day. So I bought this machine a couple months ago, knowing that it had a bad drive motor in it. This side was a little bit slower than the side over there when you push both sticks forward. So what I did is I took the pump out of it and it's getting all rebuilt right now. One of the things I want to do is take out the hydraulic hoses, flush them out, get them all cleaned up. I want to make sure the tank is dry, the hydraulic tank. I want to flush this rear line I have laying here. And it's hard to get to. Now with this being an older machine, it had a different drive setup. It had planetary gear sets in it for either side. And that's them laying here. This was the bad side. All they do is your motor sticks in here and it turns and it basically just gears it down. And this side was bad. It's hard to see. This side was bad. Those gears aren't supposed to move like that. And this is a brand new one. You can also tell that one is burnt, like it was ran dry, ran out of oil, compared to the other side, the good side. Another thing with this loader, these bushings here for the arms and lift, they're cracked the whole way around. But they're not cracked on the inside. They're fine on the inside. So what I want to do is take a plate and put the whole way around it. So let's get started. Alright guys, so I got everything together. I got both front motors in, planetaries, and all the lines ran. There's the pump itself. It's all in, hooked up, ready to go. All the linkage is hooked up. There's the right side. And the left side. They're all good to go. So we'll get fluid in the tank, get the hydraulic filter on, and we'll fire it up. Alright guys, so we have fluid. We have a new filter on.